Did you know that Jupiter's magnetic field is way stronger than Earth's? In fact, it's about 14 times more powerful. Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system, is made mostly of gas, yet it has one of the most powerful magnetic fields we've ever discovered. Picture Earth's magnetic field and multiply it by 14. That's the kind of power we're talking about here. And it's not just strong, it's huge. Jupiter's magnetic field stretches about 2 million kilometers into space, far beyond the distance between Earth and the Moon. But how is this even possible? Earth's magnetic field comes from the movement of molten iron in our planet's outer core. Jupiter, however, doesn't have a solid surface. Instead, its magnetic field is generated by liquid metallic hydrogen deep inside the planet. Liquid metallic hydrogen is a rare form of hydrogen that only exists under extreme pressure, and that's exactly what happens in Jupiter's core. When the planet spins, the liquid metallic hydrogen moves and creates an incredibly powerful magnetic field, kind of like a giant dynamo. Now you might be wondering, why does it matter that Jupiter has such a strong magnetic field? Well, it affects a lot more than just the planet itself. Jupiter's magnetic field influences its moons in really interesting ways. Take Jupiter's moon Io, for example. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, and guess what? Its volcanic activity is actually caused by Jupiter's magnetic field. The field creates electric currents in Io's interior, which heat up the moon's surface and trigger volcanic eruptions. These eruptions are so powerful that they shoot material hundreds of kilometers into space. Imagine volcanoes that powerful. Then there's Europa, another one of Jupiter's moons. Europa is covered in ice, but scientists think there could be a hidden ocean of liquid water beneath its icy surface. Jupiter's magnetic field plays a role here too. It interacts with Europa's ocean, creating electromagnetic fields around the moon. This could help make conditions suitable for life beneath the ice, which makes Europa one of the most exciting places to search for signs of extraterrestrial life. Could there be life on Europa? It's a big question that scientists are still investigating, and Jupiter's magnetic field might hold the answer. But wait, there's more. Jupiter's magnetic field also protects the planet from solar wind. Solar wind is a constant stream of charged particles coming from the sun, and if it hits a planet without protection, it can strip away its atmosphere. Earth's magnetic field shields us from this threat, but Jupiter's magnetic field does an even better job. It traps charged particles from the solar wind and creates a huge radiation belt around the planet. This radiation belt is much stronger than the ones Earth has. In fact, it's so intense that it can be dangerous for spacecraft traveling too close to Jupiter. NASA's Juno mission, which is currently studying Jupiter, had to be specially designed to handle this extreme radiation. The spacecraft has radiation shields that protect its instruments so that it can continue gathering data about Jupiter's atmosphere, magnetic field, and moons. Jupiter's magnetic field also has an impact on its auroras. Auroras are beautiful light displays that happen when charged particles from the sun interact with a planet's magnetic field. Earth's auroras, which we call the northern and southern lights, are stunning, but Jupiter's auroras are even more spectacular. Jupiter's auroras are much more intense, brighter, and larger than Earth's, and they can't even be seen with the naked eye. Scientists study these auroras in the ultraviolet spectrum using special instruments on spacecraft, and they're just as incredible to observe. These auroras happen because of Jupiter's powerful magnetic field, which interacts with solar wind in a way that produces energetic light displays. They're one of the many wonders of this giant planet. So, why is all this important to us? Learning about Jupiter's magnetic field helps us understand more about how planets and moons work. By studying Jupiter, We also learn about the early solar system and the formation of other planets. Jupiter's magnetic field might have played a role in shaping its moons, and it could even be responsible for creating the conditions that might support life on some of them, like Europa. Plus, understanding how Jupiter's field works gives us valuable insights into how other distant planets might work, even those in far-off star systems. The study of Jupiter's magnetic field also gives us important clues about the universe as a whole. The way Jupiter's field interacts with its moons, its radiation belt, and even the solar wind helps scientists learn about space environments and how planets protect themselves from space weather. As we explore other worlds in our solar system and beyond, knowledge of Jupiter's magnetic field will help us make sense of what's happening on distant planets. Jupiter's magnetic field is not just fascinating, it's essential for understanding how our solar system works. The more we learn about this giant planet and its magnetic field, the more we uncover about the forces that shape planets, moons, and even stars. Jupiter's field might help protect its moons and even foster the conditions that could support life. It's not just about Jupiter, it's about the entire solar system, and who knows what other secrets we'll discover as we keep studying this amazing planet. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember that Jupiter, with its massive magnetic field, is out there. It's a giant among planets, with a magnetic shield so powerful that it impacts everything around it. Who knows what we'll learn next? Jupiter is full of surprises, and the mysteries it holds are just waiting to be unlocked.